Now I want to show you another example of using the properties of logarithms. If I cross off the information from the previous problem, that log of base 3 of the number 6 is equal to 1.6309. If I cross that off, and if my directions are simply to evaluate the log with a base 3 of the number 54, what I'm going to do to solve this is I'm going to use the change of base formula. And what that looks like is this. I have a log with a base b of the number m, and it's going to equal log with a base a of the number m divided by the log of base a of the number b. And notice that this base b shows up here in the bottom, in the denominator, and at this point you don't know what a is. And the nice thing about the change of base formula is that you get to choose what a is. And typically we choose base 10 because we have a log base 10 button on our calculator. And remember, when I write this without specifying the base, it means base 10. And it happens to be that we also have a natural log button on our calculator, which is, if I write it carefully, log with a base e of m. We usually write like this: natural log m, natural log b. So we can use either this form or this form with our calculator, and we'll come out with the same answer no matter which one we choose, and it also should equal 3.6309. So let's try applying this to the example we have. We have a base of 3, we have a number 54, so I'll substitute 54 and 3 in here, so that the log base 3 of the number 54 is going to be log base 10 of 54 divided by log base 10 of 3. And if you plug that in your calculator, we'll do log 54, which, let's see if you can see that, log 54 divided by log 3, close the parentheses, equals 3.6309, just like we were expecting. So we can get the answer using properties of logarithms and the change of base formula. We can also use natural log, so let's try it and make sure. So that, if I clear out my calculator, I have a button here with the ln on it, so that's natural log 54 divided by natural log 3, and comes out to 3.6309. So you may see a problem on a test that will say, evaluate log base 3 of 54 using the change of base formula. And in that case, you would definitely have to follow this procedure. And again, you could choose what your new base will be, whether it's base 10 or whether it's natural log.